Hi guys, today we're back with another video. We're gonna be changing this fog light or spotlight, or yeah, whichever one you'd like to call it. We are changing it today. As you can see, we've had an oopsie, and yeah, it's no longer also in place. So we have to go behind. The wheel well. That's right here. We have to take out some of this bolts and get the light through here. On the passenger side one, it would have been easier because the light is right there and the bolts are just right there. You can see them. But on this one, yeah, it's not happening. There's no space for my hand to get down there, so we're gonna have to go behind, well, in front of the wheel. Yeah, in front of the wheel, but behind the light. Yes. For this one I also used an angle-shaped screwdriver because it's a tight spot behind that fog light, so that's the only thing that will work there. Let's get to it. Firstly, you'll need to take out these two clips that's underneath the car. Then next you'll need to take out this flap that's held on by 3 screws. As you can see on the picture, that's the flap taken out. And lastly will be a screw towards the back, and we are one step closer. After all that, we've managed to get behind the light. There it is, right there. So this is as much space as I need. I don't know about you guys. So you can just, now all I need is to unbolt 1, 2, and the third one is that side. This one is just a little clip. But yeah, after that we'll have a new fog light in, or spotlight, whichever one it is. Focus. A little bit of finagling later, we have it out. We have the, I'm just gonna call it a fog light, guys. Yeah, it's very broken. The only thing that is keeping it intact, it broke here. That's where it's broken. So it's seeping water into the light through here and right here. This part is supposed to go all the way here. It's supposed to go from here to here to keep it stable. As you saw, it was dancing around. So that's why it was all over the place. But yeah, out with the, this is not old, so I'm a little bit sad, but in with the new, I guess. And here's the one that we're replacing it with. Same thing, just another one. So we're gonna put this one in here now. So it's just repeating the same process backwards. Yeah, that one. After fiddling with the light, I was able to put it back. As you can see, the water reservoir is right behind the light, so that was a really tight space to work in to get the other 2 screws out and back in. But the car is back to having all 4 lights working properly. So thank you for watching this one, and I'll see you guys on the next one.